What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric skateboards in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a solid product, we say check out the Hiboy S11, the best budget electric skateboard in 2022. This model weighs under 7 pounds and is made of robust materials that guarantee a load capacity of about 220 pounds. The electric skateboard is equipped with a Samsung 2200 mAh battery, as well as a brushless motor of 350 watts that can go up to 12.2 miles per hour. A wireless controller is included in the mix and makes it easier to ride on the skateboard's body. On the other hand, the board is made of 7 layers of light maple wood and includes 4 large polyurethane wheels that enable high speeds for a stable and smooth ride on the sidewalk. It also has a sandpaper surface that improves the grip, making this model suitable for turns and maneuvers. As for the wheels, the skateboard is equipped with 4 large wheels that improve stability during rides. Unlike other electric skateboards, this one is specially designed to be as fun as possible and boasts really simple handling. It'll be great for going to school and similar activities. We must not forget the ABEC7 bearings, which provide incredible stability when cornering and accelerating. Therefore, the Hiboy S11 boasts exceptional construction, so you don't have to worry when it comes to frost and slipping. This electric skateboard comes in black and has the size of 29 by 7.8 by 5.6 inches, as well as weight of 8.3 pounds. All in all, for the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about is the Teamgee H5, also known as the best electric skateboard design in the market in 2022. The Teamgee H5 is a board that delivers the power and doesn't cost much considering its performance. It's actually a motorized longboard. The remote control that comes with this board shows the remaining battery level on the LCD screen as well as on the board itself, which is quite nifty. It also shows how fast you're driving and how far you've traveled in miles. Once charged, the remote can last about 3 to 4 rides before you have to recharge it. The grip is quite comfortable. There are 2 different speed modes that allow you to choose between low and high speeds, and the wheel allows you to accelerate and brake very smoothly. With the high-speed mode, the Teamgee H5 can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour or 11 miles per hour at low speeds. The design of the board gives a sense of stability, and its management is fluid. The power of its 2 380-watt motors allow it to climb slopes of up to 20 degrees without any force whatsoever. With the 36-volt lithium battery that charges in 2 to 4 hours, you can travel up to 11 miles. The thickness of the plate is only 0.6 inches, which makes this model particularly thin and elegant. It consists of 11 layers, including 10 layers of maple and a layer of fiberglass. The product has a length of 38 inches and has a width of 8.5 inches with a total weight of 14.5 pounds, including the body, wheels, and engine. This makes the HP easy to transport. The maximum load is 200 pounds. The Teamgee H5 electric longboard provides a smooth and comfortable glide. It can roll on the glass and climbs hills without sacrificing comfort and performance. It's made for long, leisurely rides instead of breaking performance records and is ideal for beginner to intermediate drivers. To conclude, the Teamgee H5 is modestly priced, aesthetically pleasing, and offers a comfortable and quiet ride. If you want to experience longboarding with all the pleasures of an electric board, including a great design, then we highly recommend this model. Thumbs up, that's for sure. If you want a high-performance, top-level product and at the same time aren't hesitant to spend a few dollars more, we especially highlight Skatebolt Tornado II, the best premium electric skateboard on the 2022 market. This model has all the features you could expect from an electric board: long battery life, high top speed, ability to climb steep slopes, and taillights for safe night driving that makes it a great choice. The extra solid board is made of 8 layers of maple wood and stands out with an elegant design. The control mounts on a wireless remote control are perfectly positioned to allow you to easily adjust your panel. The remote control allows you to set up the speed and brake, turn the rear lights on and off, and check the battery level. The Skatebolt Tornado II has 2 500-watt motors that provide enough power to get this electric skateboard to speeds of up to 24 miles. It provides a very smooth gliding feel, even at high speeds. The range of this model is quite impressive for such a fast electric longboard. The rear lights are beautiful. You can turn them on and off the remote control and they flash when the brakes are applied. It is soothing and seems necessary for night driving. Skatebolt Tornado II has a different design than most other products on the market. It consists of 8 layers of Canadian maple, which makes the board strong enough to withstand up to 280 pounds. The board and wheels are wider for a smoother and cleaner ride. For your safety, the dashboard is equipped with 2 red position LEDs on the back of the truck, so it is clearly visible on the street, both pedestrians and cars. When the brake is applied, the lights are activated in flashing mode. All in all, we can say that this has everything you would expect from a top electric longboard model. Criteria such as speed, range, build quality, safety, and power come together. In addition, thanks to the LCD remote control, you can check the battery capacity, speed mode, and braking mode whenever you want. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And now we present the Backfire G2, which in our humble opinion is the runner-up best electric skateboard available on the market in 2022, or the silver medalist for today. Thanks to a rather good performance, this product deservedly reached such a high ranking. The G2 was aesthetically revised in 2020. It has a range of 12.5 miles according to the manufacturer, along with a table length of 38 inches and a wheel width of 96 millimeters. The remote control, always in your hand, allows you to increase speed of up to 24 miles per hour in sport mode or up to 12 miles per hour in eco mode. You can easily slow down, brake, and turn the skate on and off. The Backfire G2 handles rough roads just as effectively, like no brushless engine on the market can. The G2 is designed to be a comfortable and easy-to-use electric skateboard if you're a beginner. Most of the parts of this model are of premium quality. It also has 4-watt hub motors and remote control with a more than useful digital display. Also, in terms of battery autonomy, this product more than convinced us of its quality. Users point out that it covers an impressive 11 miles with one charging cycle for almost 2 hours. Also, the load capacity is 240 pounds. Thanks to the slight acceleration and maximum braking speed of 12.5 miles per hour, this skateboard is also ideal for beginners. There is also a sports mode that'll serve you if you like driving at high speed with smooth yet strong acceleration. As for the powerful engine, it contains 10% more torque than its predecessor, as well as 20% less noise. Also, the Backfire G2 boasts 5% higher energy efficiency. Thanks to its rather good performance, this product deservedly won the silver medal. The Backfire G2 black electric skateboard we're looking at comes in elegant black. As for the shortcomings and flaws, the users fully agree that there are no objective things to point out, and note that they are completely satisfied with the value they receive for the money invested. We've rounded up all the important features, advantages, and potential disadvantages of this product, so now we can move on to the review of the next one. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have reached the unanimous conclusion that Meepo Shuffle V4 is the best overall electric skateboard available on the market in 2022. Meepo V3 is one of the finest and most popular models of electric skateboards on the market. However, Meepo V4 electric skateboard came to revolutionize everything. The V4 is equipped with 2 4th-generation hubs with an output of 620 watts. These 2 motors are powered by a 302 volt-hour extended range battery, plus another 144 volt-hour standard model. Keep in mind that these 2 batteries manage to fully charge in less than an hour. The new 620-watt hubs that the V4 is equipped with give it powerful and smooth acceleration. Unlike the competition, which offers engines between 400 watts and 540 watts, the ones used here are 20% more powerful. We do notice a positive difference in acceleration compared to most other types of electric skateboards. It should also be noted that the board offers better stability when driving at high speeds, and that it handles climbs better. Braking and acceleration on this electric skateboard are very fluid. The user can drive completely still and worry-free. Also, this electric skateboard has rather good top speed. When that's achieved, you're off to the races. In addition, keep in mind that the system is quite efficient at all speeds and reacts very quickly. This electric skateboard has the highest speed of 28 miles per hour. The standard version has a range of about 11.2 miles, and during most tests, the users really came close to this value. We should also point out that it only takes 28 minutes for a standard mode to charge. The Meepo Shuffle V4 comes in the size of 36 by 9 by 5 inches, while it weighs 17.1 pounds. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, See you guys later.